From the ChooseMyPlate.gov website, we will click on Super Tracker. You'll notice there are several other tools located here, but for our purposes, we will use Super Tracker. Click on Super Tracker, and you will notice that there are daily food plans, what's cooking, a BMI calculator, and portion distortion. First, let's click on Daily Food Plans. When you click on Daily Food Plans, here you will notice a list of the food plans available for different age groups and different caloric intakes. We need to go ahead and click on Super Tracker and get to the Super Tracker website. So as we click on Super Tracker again, we'll click the icon here, and that should take us to the Super Tracker website. Now that we are here at the Super Tracker website, we will click on Foodipedia. Foodipedia shows you how to search up foods. For example, if you type eggs and click go, you'll notice that it gives you different options. Eggs boiled, eggs poached, eggs fried. Let's take eggs boiled, and let's say that we are going to use one large egg that's boiled. Here you will notice that there are 77 total calories. It's also located in the protein foods group, and of course any limits that may be associated with that. This is a very neat tool and a great way to keep track of the food items that you use. Now let's go ahead and go to My Plan. Or first let's go to Sample Meal Plans. Sample meal plans, once again, help you determine how much food you're going to consume in a particular day based on a 2,000 calorie diet. In this case, you'll notice here's a sample A, a sample B, and a sample C. You'll also notice that they ask you for physical activity, and they let you understand here your daily caloric limit. Along with that, daily food group targets your grains, your vegetables, fruits, dairy, and protein. So these are just a great way to help identify what items you might need to include in your diet. Next, we will go to Food Tracker. This is where we will actually start to create our diet. For example, in this category, we want to create a meal plan for a 9 to 17-year-old. So we're going to have to search in the food category. We're going to type our food here. What is a common item that we're going to need? We know that we need 6 ounces of grains, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 2 cups of fruit, 3 cups of dairy, and 5.5 ounces of protein. Now this is not all from one meal. This will be from several meals to include a snack. Here we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course snack. So let's say, for example, breakfast. What's a typical breakfast item? Oh, let's say eggs. Click eggs. This morning, let's say you had fried eggs with butter. A pretty common choice. And let's say that there were 2 large eggs. So we'll say 2 large eggs. We'll include them for breakfast. We'll click Add. Now you will notice the breakfast item populate. It's a total of 184 calories, and we'll notice here in the graph that it falls into the protein category. Now we've reached between 25 to 50% of our daily recommended protein. Another caution here, though, is that the empty calories. This gives us 68 empty calories, and we want to keep our empty calorie limit to 258. So that's another item to consider. Saturated fats, oils, sodium. We never want to go over the limit on any of these items. So this website here, Food Tracker, is going to help you learn so much about the different types of foods, what's included in each food, and whether it's a good choice or not. Let's try another one, for example, a typical dinner item. Maybe something that's a little more complicated. Let's say pizza. Now pizza sounds simple enough, but if you'll notice, as I click go there, you will have pizza cheese regular, different types of pizza, pizza pepperoni. Let's say we had a pizza vegetables thick crust, and we had it for dinner. Now we will notice we have refined grains, vegetables, cheese, and no real difference on our protein. So here we see that it is in our dinner. It's 282 calories. Out of that, 73 empty calories. So this may be a food item that we would not want to include in our daily diet. It's just something to consider. You have to take your time and research each item separately to help determine and find the correct item. My daily food plan worksheet is a great tool to keep with you when you're away from an electronic device. You can use it to plan your daily activities, or you can use it to record what you've eaten throughout the day. Your grains, vegetables, fruits, dairy, protein, and any physical activity that you may have done. It's a great way to track what you do and maybe even help you prepare for your meals throughout the day. Once again, the whole purpose of this is to make sure that we understand what foods we're putting into our body and any complications that may arise from making poor choices. So once again, I hope this information has been useful, and thank you for listening, and have a nice day.